to remove burrs and texture on the surface of the mold. Weld several molds into a larger one and produce the mold massively. Use high-temperature resistant tape to wrap the back and edges of the splicing mold so as to prevent attachment of nickel on those parts, as it may influence demolding later. Keep the red mold in active acidity solution with temperature of 50 to 60 degrees centigrade and concentration of 5 to 10 B for 5 minutes. After that, use soft brush to clean the oil stains on the surface of the mold and clean with clean water for 3 times. Soak the clean mold in passivation solution of room temperature for 5 seconds for easy demolding later. After passivation, clean the mold with clean water for 6 times. Put clean mold into electroforming sink and start electroforming process. The initial voltage is 3.8 voltages and 8 voltages after 30 minutes. The temperature of the electroforming sink should be kept in 50 to 60 degrees centigrade. The time for electroforming of thick nameplate is 4 hours. Electroforming completes in 4 hours. The electroformed nameplate should be cleaned into clean water sink before demolding. Slightly bend the clean and nameplate for several times, and then open from the edge where there is a gap to separate the nameplate from the mold. The nameplates separated from the mold should be put on the shelf with back to back. They should be handled gently to prevent scratch on the surface. The molded nameplate should be put into oil removal solution of concentration of 3 to 6 B for 60 to 90 seconds. After removal of oil, clean the nameplate with clean water for 6 times. Chroming of 7 seconds will be carried out to glorify the nameplate and realize the functions of oxidation and corrosion resistance. After chroming, clean the nameplate for 6 times and then dry it in the air. Clean the dry nameplate and polish it to remove the impurities on the back of the nameplate due to electroforming. Cut the polished nameplate into strips and send them for electroplating. Evenly apply environment-friendly glue on the grooves at the back side of the nameplate and use a spatula to even the glue. Apply glue for 3 times for each nameplate and then dry them in the oven. Align the needle of the punching machine with design point for the positioning hole and then step on the pedal. For electroforming nameplate, positioning hole will be set according to the requirement of punching in development stage. The purpose of making positioning hole is to assist the positioning in punching process later. Align the positioning holes at the 2 sides of the nameplate with a positioning pile, and then press the start button to punch, which will make the slicing template into individual nameplates. Various inspections will be made from production to delivery, among which quadratic detection is to check whether the appearance and dimensions of the nameplate is in accordance with the requirements on the drawings of the customer. Auxiliary fixture is used to attach adhesive sticker on the back of the nameplate. By using tardiness meter, the maximum force endurable of the adhesive sticker on the back of the nameplate can be tested. Thus, to guarantee that the products meet the requirements of the customer before delivery, the nameplates attached with adhesive sticker will be fully inspected again to discover any disqualified product. The surface of qualified products will be scrubbed by dustless cloth and covered with a protective film to prevent wearing during the transportation. All the nameplates will be packed in carton before delivery in order to avoid damage caused by vibration during transportation.